What up, everybody? It's your boy AB, aka Andy B Crypto, and today I am bullish on billion-dollar market cap crypto projects. So, yeah, everybody wants to know what are the best crypto projects to be buying into. Are they the low caps? Are they the high caps? Which one's going to bring me the most money in? And that can be a difficult question to answer at times. As you know, Bitcoin is the highest market cap coin they got right now. Underneath that's Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Avalanche. Got a couple of those. But the thing about it is that really, if you could run from $100 million market cap project to $1 billion market value, then, that's a good chunk of change. That's at least a 10x on your money. But what if you could get 10,000? I'm sorry. That's so degen. I'm sorry. Let's try a $10 million market cap coin currently, and you could get all the way to the $1 billion point. If you do the math, that means 10 times 10, 100K times 10 is $1 billion. So basically, that's a 100x coin. But, if you get 20 million market cap to $1 billion, that's a 50x. So, there's a lot of things you have to take into consideration. There's nothing promised in crypto, okay? I'm realizing that all those other YouTube influencers that you're watching, they don't know when it's all going to be over. They have ideas, but, nobody knows. Honestly, it's as easy as a whale waking up one day saying, hey, I want to sell all my Bitcoin. Hey, I want to sell all my LCX. Hey, I want to sell all my XRP. And then just watch your favorite token plummet. So, with that being said, you got to think about it as far as the bull run. Now, back in November of 2021, if you go to CoinMarketCap, I'm going to try and leave a link for y'all in the back, in the comments or something like that. But meanwhile, we're talking about that stuff in the back. If you could, give me a like, hit the subs. I'd appreciate it. Really, really appreciate it. So, yeah, there's that. But, yeah. So, if you look at CoinMarketCap and you look at the historical chart, it's not going to be perfect. It's going to be just kind of a screenshot of what it was looking like that day. But I did the math, and there was about 107 projects that were over $1 billion market caps. So, basically, if you want to shoot for, something that you feel like, I feel like if you want to have like the biggest, impact on your portfolio, I say you'd want to go for something that's not in the top 100, but by the end of the bull run will become one of the top 100 coins. So the amounts of billions, it'll depend on the niche. There's always Web3. There's NFT projects, gaming projects. Just DeFi, decentralized finance, like all those different things, cloud computing, AI. Those are gonna be some big ones. Yeah. So depending on how everyone's feeling and how much marketing gets put into it, how many whales take notice of those projects, looking at their tech based in that project, who their founders are. I mean, these are all things that you'd have to research. But if you feel like your tokens, your projects that you own, a part of, are top contenders, then they might be top 100. So if you look at what the total market cap is now for that project, let's say it's $20 million, $25 million. Okay? Now that's all the money that's basically, theoretically, that's all the money that has been invested into that coin. So basically, yeah, if it's a $25 million market cap and it hits $1 billion, then you got 40x. If it hits $2 billion, that's a 80x. So it really depends on how much money gets pushed into that project, how high of a project, how popular that project becomes, So you kind of want to go for an underdog that's going to make it the big time. I mean, look at it. Even in the top 100, there are some meme coins out there like Shiba, Doge, and, they made it to the top. So, it really could be anything. Whatever catches on, whatever whales, think is one of the best, one of the greatest for this coming bull run, or what we're running into right now, hopefully. They'll be able to, those are the kinds of projects that'll make you the most profitable. So just something to look into, something to think about, is just looking at what you have now, trying to predict, how many X's it'll be. Do your research, look into the projects and see, what's really good about it. Is there a lot of inflation? Inflation's gonna water down the value. If there's a lot of deflation going on, if they're doing a lot of token burns and things of that nature, it might become even more profitable. And, yeah, so everything's a real gamble. None of this, I don't care who in crypto talks to you, none of it's financial advice. Some are less risk than others, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or anything that has like an ETF coming. Let's say Solana, maybe XRP, who knows? We'll see. But yeah, so if you're trying to get to 5 billion, if you're trying to get to 10 billion, market cap from where you're at now, just start doing the math that way. And, hopefully, if you've done your research, if whales are looking at the same stuff you're looking at and just buying in, just going ham, just wilding out, just buying up everything, selling, they're putting their, getting a second mortgage, like whatever the deal is, just throwing their all into those particular projects. And, by the end of this, you might become pretty wealthy. Or, honestly, like if you at least get into a solid project, you have a good chance of getting at least a 10x. Minus the first couple of, top Bitcoin might not hit a 10x. Pretty sure it's not going to happen. Ethereum, probably not. But maybe if you're like maybe under the top 20 coins, under top 50, definitely under top 100. You could, if it's good, it's gonna hit a 10x. So that's all the advice I got for you now. But hey, what are your favorite projects? What do you think is going to hit like the biggest multiplier ever? Hey, let me know. Shoot me something in the comments, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right. Peace.